My name's John, founder of Goodwill Choice. We're an Australia-based organisation. We initially outsourced this to an Australian-based firm too. Wasn't a good experience. They failed. We lost time, resources and money. As a result, we had to look at different options. Our budget was tightened. We had to look at better options, so we looked at overseas. We looked at several countries. We weren't too keen on the overseas factor, thinking we might struggle with communication or the time might cause delays, etc. But that was unfounded. It actually worked out. Our experience with IndiaNIC was great from day one. We actually, as I said before, we actually looked at several developers and then we narrowed it down to about 10, and we picked one, which was IndiaNIC. Why IndiaNIC? Well, from day one, they scoped the project inside out. They knew what we wanted. They were helpful, and most importantly, they actually delivered. At the end of the day, it's all about the end result, and they delivered. And look at our website. I couldn't be more happier. It exceeded expectations. We've shown it to a number of developers, and they've said, well, it's slick and polished, and that's in their words. I don't use those sort of words, but they said, yeah, it's better than most they've seen. So to get that sort of feedback, and well, and the app is on a different level altogether. So couldn't be more happier. Well, with websites and apps, we all know it can be an expensive and long, painful experience if you don't get things right. And I guess with IndiaNIC, their strengths, flexibility. They've got resources. They've got dedicated team members, and they're helpful. And the output speaks for itself. So yeah, it's all about getting results. Throughout the project, they were very receptive to our needs. As I said before, they were flexible, and additionally, there's always issues and problems along the way, and they came up with solutions, which is critical. I think that's very important. Other factors to consider: communication and correspondence. Now, that initially I said we were concerned about that. It turned out to work out. Communication and correspondence with them was great. Using Rahul as an example, I'd send him an email. I can pretty much say he would reply instantly, within a day for sure, and the feedback was good. And if needed, we'd hook up online and have face-to-face meetings, and that's a great way of addressing deeper issues, or making sure that we're on the same page, and that worked well with those guys, that everything got sorted. So yeah, to sum things up, it was a good experience. I'm very thankful for Rahul and the team. They've done a great job. I have no hesitation in recommending them to anyone else. We're continuing our association with them, and not only that, I'm happy to use them on new projects. So it's been a good experience, and I'm pleased with them. So very happy. Thank you.